Hi, welcome to Hobby Homestead. Join me as I make my elderberry syrup recipe. Full recipe will be available to screenshot at the end. I start with dried elderberries. I get these from a local health food bulk store and they work just fine, but you can use fresh. You just double the amount. And these go in a pot with water, and this is 4 cups of water that I'm using. This is going over medium heat. You just want to watch this so you don't burn anything because, yes, I've done that. And I kind of treat it like a simmer pot too, and when it looks done to me, it looks done. Next, I am adding my cinnamon sticks, but you can use ground cinnamon for this too. And this is ginger and lemon going in because I forgot cloves and I forget them almost every time, but you should also add cloves too. So you're going to want to mix this up pretty regularly and check it so you don't burn it. Now you're also looking for it to coat that spoon with a nice dark rich color. And then once you've achieved that and have simmered it for a while, you're ready to pour it through your strainer. And I use 2 different sets of strainers for this. And some people use a cheesecloth. I don't mind a little bit of grit in mine, so I don't do that. So I'm just pouring it through a strainer with larger holes first. And then scrape out to make sure you get everything. And then after this, I'm going to squeeze the juice out of the berries a little bit with the back of a standard kitchen spoon, like a tablespoon. So I'm just going to squeeze the berries out and get every last drop I kind of can without having to put it through a cheesecloth. And next, I have my bowl prepped here with my honey in it already. I have added the honey when it's still cooking on the stove. I just find that it's less likely to scorch if you just do it when the liquid is really hot yet. So it's going through my second strainer, the fine mesh strainer, and right on top of my raw honey. And then we're going to mix this together. All right, so once you've accomplished mixing this together thoroughly, you're going to bottle it. And this is a maple syrup jug, possibly, that I have for this, that I saved for this. I also saved the top that came with this thing too, and because it's a little flip top lid, which is super handy. And this was 4 cups, but you can do like 4 or 5 cups of water depending on how big your container is at the end. Here's my flip top cap, which is super handy. And screw it on, and I'm done, and it's ready for the fridge. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.